Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So we're doing a live show tonight. Wasn't going to do one, but let me make sure we're all good here. Let's see. Let me get the comment section. Excuse me, going here. Hopefully, we'll avoid the echo that we had last time. Let's see. Let me go over to the channel, and then I know a lot of you want me to talk about one thing in particular, but I think we might either avoid that or uh, we'll go into it. We'll see. We'll see how the night goes. And then, okay, so let me mute this. The whole purpose of having this up is so I can pop out the chat. So let's go over here. I got the chat popped out. This is going to be over here. Ah, Richard King. Two other people have taken your line. How about that? Okay, let's see. Let me pull this up over here. I'm live in the Discord. Anybody can feel free to join in, and we'll kind of just have, free form discussion. Okay, so let's see. Well, it looks like our friend is moving on to a couple of other channels tomorrow, so he's spreading the love around. That's our Oracle buddy. Um, he's also known by other names, which we could get into. But yeah, a lot to talk about. Okay, so we have a few of you on here. We've got Ben Mallinson on. We've got the Emperor on. Wow, I'm honored. He says, I hope we're roasting the fiend tonight. We should. We definitely should. Okay, so let's see. So the person actually looked like he joined the Discord earlier today, and then he probably saw some interesting stuff out there about himself, and then he kind of moved on. But he tried to promote himself a lot, and I think I deleted all his stuff on there. So, yep, he was in and out in like an hour. But yeah. So there we go. So if you all want to see more info, definitely join the Discord. Let's see. Oh, that's him. Okay. Let's see. I guess we'll talk about boring investments. I had another commenter that they didn't like my analysis of Defiance, which I thought was rather interesting. All Defiance funds are pretty much down, so I don't know what they were upset about. Oh, we have a Emperor Palpatine fan. He's the best. He took your line too. Actually, two other people took your line. All right. Well, props to you and everyone. Let's see who we've got here. We've got Texas Heat. What's up, Texas Heat? Long time no talk.
Hola.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going.
Yeah?
Yep.
Have you been
Just
keeping up
hanging
with
out.
all the latest stuff?
Here and there, a little
Yeah.
bit, probably 80%.
Oh yeah. So how's your
Yeah.
investing going?
Not too shabby.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah. You
not too
still
shabby. I've been happy.
Yeah.
Need the market. I don't know. It's like when it's moving too much, I'm like, don't move too much, and then when it doesn't move, I'm like, do something.
Right. You're still in mostly the same stuff?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Any
I haven't changed up that much.
Yeah. Any new plays you're looking at?
Uh, no, not really.
Yeah.
Just doing ETFs and options and all that good stuff.
Oh yeah. Any good trades to post in the subthread?
Not really. I mean, I've just been doing options on Soxel. Haven't been assigned yet, and just been taking profits.
Oh, that's right, Soxel. Yeah.
Yep.
We'll have to look up how that's doing. Actually, let's go look that up. Yeah, that's the semiconductor bull, 3 times 3x shares. So this one, so we're up, yeah, we're outpacing the S&P, like we're 3 times the S&P. That's good. So what type of options are you doing on Soxel?
Just puts right now. Kind of
Okay.
secured puts.
Okay.
I started selling it back when it was what was it? 50, yeah, 55. I
Hmm.
started selling puts and have yet to been assigned.
Nice.
So
So you're
just been
trying to wheel it?
yeah, I'll wheel it. I'll wheel it both directions
Yeah.
if it's fine.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, I was doing 55, was selling I think 35s, and just been man, I've had several that have closed out 50% profit in like 7 or less than 7 days on over 30 days out.
Hmm.
So
Nice.
we're good. I'm like, I don't know, I'm conservative, but now that it's down in the 40 range, if it starts dropping to 35 and 30, I'll just let it assign. We'll see what happens.
Hmm. So yeah, then if you get a sign, then you're getting in at the price you want.
Oh yeah, I'll sell at the money, cover calls, and make even more money.
Right. Yeah, wheel it.
Yep.
Yep. Awesome.
But I think getting assigned at 35 or lower on Soxel is not a bad way to enter the position
Hmm.
because I'll keep buying in on the way down.
Yep.
But
Yeah, cool. I see that's rated strong buy, but and then we got an article, oh, from like a month ago that rates it as a sell.
yeah, a month ago when it was 55, that would have made sense because it dropped 15 bucks from there.
Okay, yeah, that would have made sense then. Yeah, like March 7th. Yep. Yeah, it dropped all the way. It
Yeah,
almost dropped in half. Shoot, that would have been a good buying point, April 19th.
yeah, it was. I had a what was the expiration? Let's see. It wasn't the third. I think it was the 26th, April 26th, maybe something like that.
Hmm.
Maybe the 19th, something like that. I had like a 35, and it dropped below it, and then rallied back above it before expiration. I didn't get assigned. I was like, all right, I'll take it.
Yeah.
It was rough to watch the option value go up like 300% or something
And that was on this one?
on Soxel. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, and so it went up 300% and then it pulled back?
Yeah, yeah, like the value of the actual option
Hmm.
went, I sold it at $100 or whatever, and it went to 300
Oh, wow.
versus, and you want it to go to zero. So,
Hmm. Right.
but like I said, it rallied back up hard fast too, right? How many days was that? 19 to the 26th, right?
Hmm.
7 days. Yeah, 1 week it rallied $10 in a week.
Oh, I see that.
So
Wow. Yeah.
yeah,
So that would have been great like here, but
that's
then
20. Yeah, even if
uh-huh.
you bought in too, that would have been 25% gain
Hmm.
or whatever that'd be like 33. I don't know at 30,
Hmm.
but yeah, just haven't been assigned yet. I keep getting 50% profit in less than 50% of the time. So it's kind of one of my general rule of thumbs that if that happens, I'll just close out, take the profit, and then wait for a new opportunity to get back in,
Hmm.
pull back or something.
Right. Yeah, I was trying to do the wheel. I got assigned on a stock, and I'm actually doing really well on it. What was it? CLSK, I think. And like I'm way up in it, but I didn't want to like get into the stock to begin with, so I kind of pulled back. But it's worked for me in terms of getting into the stock at a cheap price.
Yeah, it's nice to get paid to own it, right?
Hmm.
Let's see, when did I start selling Soxel? So yeah, March 26th was my first sell. So, a month and a week. I've made like over $500 in the last month with very little capital.
Hmm. Awesome. Yeah, we still have the same people posting their trades over here. Um, let's see. Oh,
Yeah, a lot of people that post stuff, man, their stuff is, I don't know, I don't know if it's just they're used to it, so I don't know, some of their stuff I feel like it's more complicated than it needs to be.
yeah. Well, this guy, a lot of these, so it looks like a couple of them expired, which that's always good. Expiring out of the money, you keep the premium. He rolled one, oh, Canopy Growth because of the cannabis news last week. There's a Soxal one
Oh
that he did.
yeah. You know what I've been freaking checking every day for options chain and it hasn't showed up yet is triple QU. It's a Have you ever heard of that one?
The T triple Q?
No, triple QU.
No,
QQQU.
let me look that one up.
I've been waiting for like over 2 weeks for an option chain on this to show up.
Oh, this is one of
It's
their
been,
new
it's been
ones.
out been out 1 month now.
Yeah, and there's no options chain yet. So one of the fund managers I had on, we were getting questions that day about the options chain, and literally that day they put it out.
Yeah, I watched your video on that.
Hmm.
I think that was the Round Hill.
Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, he's coming on the
Yeah,
podcast too.
I'd commented on someone in the chat or something because the person was speaking as if Round Hill was the one that determined if it got an option chain, and I told him that it was the stock exchange that determines it, not
Hmm.
Round Hill.
Do you like
So now,
Round Hill funds?
yeah, I'm liking them so far.
Oh, good. So
It's
have you you bought into them?
I have a little. I
Yeah.
got 6 shares of QDTE.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just kind of I'm watching and building as I see fit,
Hmm.
so I kind of want to see how they hold up.
Yeah, it seems like so I do a weekly video on them, but it does seem like the dividend has been going up for XDTE and QDTE.
Like the actual dollar amount of the dividend.
Yeah, so in the last like 3 weeks for XDTE, so we went from like 19 cents to 37 cents, then almost 26 cents. We dropped a little bit to like 24 cents, but it's not terrible. But
Yeah.
what I'm keeping track of what the dollar amount of the share price drop, if that's exceeding the dividend. And right now it is because the dividends have paid like a dollar
Yeah.
43. The share price drop is a dollar 45. So it's like a 2 cent difference, but it's still a difference. And then for QDTE, it's yeah, $1.95, and then share price change is 2.19. So yeah, there's definitely a gap for sure.
Yeah. I don't know the exact thinking behind all that, but seems to be pretty common.
Yep. Yeah, with a lot of these.
Yeah.
But what else do we got
I
here?
don't know
Let's
if
see.
it's necessarily
Hmm.
a bad thing or not, but
Oh, that the dividend is like less than what the share price is dropping.
yeah, like I guess I would classify as the NAV erosion, right? Like
Right.
I don't know, like it's one of the it's bad when you're buying and building a position,
Hmm.
But as soon as you stop, then you're just getting your money. You're getting paid your capital back into that position faster.
Right,
And then once you're paid back, you don't really care.
right. Yeah, once you're paid back, then it's like all the house's money.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's exactly it. As long as it's returning a total return of whatever what you deem worthy, then the return of capital doesn't really matter that much. But
Hmm.
I don't know.
What do you think about this SMCI fund? Are you in any of that?
SMCI. I don't think so.
Yeah, super microcomputer. That's been a big one this year.
Oh yeah. No, isn't that one? Is that one in FEPI?
No, it's just FEPI's just the Magnificent Seven,
No.
right?
I think FEPI has like 15 holdings.
Oh, we gotta look at that then. Let's see here. FEPI Holdings. I know I'm in
Do,
it,
do,
but
do.
let's see. Let's go to the rec shares. Yeah, you're right. 15 highly liquid holdings.
Yeah. Yeah, Micron Technology, is that it? I don't know if that's it.
Different
Nope,
one.
that's not it.
Here we
Yeah,
go. Oh
I'm
yeah.
thinking of.
Tesla, Nvidia, Micron, Apple, Google, Broadcom, Netflix, Palo Alto Networks, Amazon, Adobe. How many is that? Three, six, nine. So there's like five more. That's so dumb that it just doesn't just show them all. Oh,
Yeah,
here,
it's
wait.
like download this.
They've actually got the symbols for each one if you know these. So here's AMD, Tesla, Google, Amazon, Apple, Intel, Micron, Netflix, Broadcom. Shoot, what's this one? I know this is NVIDIA, this is Microsoft. Oh, CRM, Salesforce. One of these is Adobe, Meta. What's this one? Oh, probably Palo Alto Networks.
Yeah.
Oh, someone asks, can the few cents difference between the dividend payout and the share price come from the management fee? Possibly, but I mean, the thing is, net and net, you don't like want to lose anything. Like, I guess,
Management fees I think come out on a daily basis, and it's
t
kind of unnoticeable.
yeah, like taken off the top.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think it's a daily amount.
Hmm. But what you want as an investor, that you want like it would still kind of suck if you got like if your stock price dropped by like $2 and you were paid $2 in dividends. It's like a transfer of payment basically. It's like, okay, the stock price dropped $2, but you got your $2 back. You want to have like a positive overall return. So that's why I feel like the
Yeah, you'd want like a share some recovery on it.
yeah. And like for FEPI, I like FEPI a lot, but I feel like um Tesla is probably holding it down a lot. Let's see. Let's actually look at, let's see. How's Tesla doing the last couple of days here? Oh, it got upgraded to a hold. Oh, 171. It's kind of falling back. Um, yeah, since we came back, we were almost hit 200, and then it's dropping back again. Yeah, since last week or since the 6th. Yep, it's lost like 16 bucks.
Yeah. That's what I like about the QQQU. It's the it's an equal weighted index of the seven largest Nasdaq companies,
Hmm.
and that's why I want there to be an options chain on it.
Oh, on the one you were just talking about.
Yeah.
Which one is that again? Oh,
QQQU.
yeah, that's right.
So it's like kind of diversified, but at the same time, I think the implied volatility is going to be pretty good, and it's two times leverage.
That's
So
right. So it's direction daily concentrated cues. So what all is this in?
What's in it?
Yeah.
It's it's an equal weighted index of the seven largest Nasdaq listed companies.
Oh, okay.
So if the seven changes, then this will change. Um, but yeah, it'll be equal weighted in the largest seven.
Hmm.
So I would assume that it's kind of like the bare minimum for diversified and probably decent implied volatility.
Yeah,
I
it's a
think the options,
2x, so it's going to perform
yeah,
2x. Yeah.
yeah. So I think the options chain on it is going to be pretty decent.
Citizen of the Year is trying to bait me into talking about you've seen the channel's latest heckler, this Oracle guy.
Yeah, I saw it a couple days ago
Yeah. No, he's saying is
or a day ago, whatever it
AMZY.
was.
Yeah, he says is AMZY a great investment. Some are saying it's a money printer.
Oh yeah, yeah, dude, it's the whole market.
Exactly, yeah. So, yeah, get a mortgage or get a home equity line of credit on your house. Yeah, just leverage everything. I don't
Yeah, I
understand
mean, I
all
don't really
these.
think there's really anything going. If you want to go all in, like, there's probably worse things to pick, right?
Yeah.
but but I
Well,
mean, I wouldn't do it.
one thing I missed in my first response video, um, he's saying like he took a $300,000 home equity line of credit and then he took like a $150,000 personal loan, if I understood correctly. So he's got to be down by like 15,000 at least, because it showed like 435,000, and then his little Tesla sandwich is already just. It looks like it's just what's the new one, the inverse Tesla one, Crash.
Uh, Crash, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that's all it is.
Yeah, I haven't really dug into the Crash thing yet, and I've only glanced surface level at his stuff. I haven't really comprehended all what he's doing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to comprehend it myself. He's in between like attacking other channels and saying his stuff. He's tough one to follow.
Yeah, I've only seen a couple of his videos, I think, and he like was just scrolling through screenshots or something like that, and expected people to comprehend what he was saying.
Right.
Was what I was, I think, from one of the one or two videos I've seen. He was just scrolling through a chat or something of his screenshots, and I was like, dude, you're trying to get your point across. You can do a little better than that.
Right. Yeah, I'll never understand why people that claim to have so much money, why they need to borrow money to execute their strategy. Like if they're loaded, you'd think they just use some of the money they have to invest, instead of leveraging.
Right? Whatever floats your boat, right?
Yep.
Coach,
Hey, Jakeem, how's it going?
just laughing at the latest controversy.
Yeah, how can you not, right?
I will say this much: he's fairly entertaining to laugh at.
Oh yeah, I mean if he's not
I will say
attacking
that
you,
much.
Yeah.
like if it's
Yeah,
not.
he's fairly entertaining.
Yeah, if you're not the subject of the attack, then it's yeah, I could see where it would be funny.
Yeah, as he's done pretty good over the last 6 months.
Yeah.
So he
Let's
got
see.
lucky with his pick there.
Hmm. But like someone
What
said,
I
so
will say,
go ahead, what?
he did make it say like, given that it is a presidential election, he made an argument that he goes use this money to pay back as much of this debt as possible within the next 5 months, something like that. On a
Yeah.
video he just made it like today or something. It makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Because oh, serious question on that. Given some people who I've seen quite a bit of people who actually done that, take lines out on loans on that, on and then making these moves to on bet these high bets on this. Would those actually could that actually the yield amount actually pay off, or are they really just hoping that somebody don't randomly decide to just take a shit for the day?
Is Yield Max
Mm,
doing what? Go ahead.
yeah, I
You
didn't
know how
quite comprehend the question.
You know how some of these, like just like him, for example, he took that line of credit out. There's actually quite a bit of people I've seen say make that statement that they did that.
Yeah.
Is it actually? Is it? We all know it's not the wisest thing to do, but is it actually is the numbers actually there to pull that off?
I mean, so I
Yeah, it's just
I actually
it's
joked
just risky.
I actually joked about doing this a year ago, and I had subscribers tell me, "Don't suggest that because people will actually do it." And now
Well,
it's funny. Yeah.
because he ain't the only one. There's a few people I've seen say that.
It's really hard to do debt arbitrage where the debt payment itself is principal plus interest, right? Because that makes the payment really high. So it forces you to invest into higher yielding stuff, which may or may not actually yield that.
Hmm.
Um, so there's, if you had to take your dividends to make that payment, but we all know that these dividends aren't full profit, right? Some of it's return of capital.
Hmm.
Then at the end of it, you just have to hope that what you've paid back to your debt is more than what you actually borrowed. It was all worth it to begin with. He's at
Yeah.
such a high dollar amount that it probably is worth it. It's when it's like you're doing 10 grand and you do it, and then it's all said and done, and you only made a couple $100, and you added 10 grand worth of dividends to your taxes and all that stuff that you have to keep track of and claim and
Hmm.
That
do
was
all
the
that.
part right there was the dividends part. While I was the taxes, I was like, that I don't think it's
Yeah.
gonna work out that well because of the tax part.
He's not.
Yeah,
But
like
if he not, but if Amazon can stay on this little miniature, AMZ can stay like it is for the next 5 or 6 months, I think it will. I think it will pay off for him.
Yeah. And plus, since AMZ's the whole
yeah, but
market too, it's perfectly diversified. And
oh,
so,
yeah. I don't know. Did anybody remember what his monthly payment or dividends were? Like,
he said like
was it 20 or
15,000.
30,
Not.
15?
I thought he said 15,000, but from what I saw, his account has dropped by the same amount as what the dividends paid out, which is what happens, in these funds.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. So it's like once the debt's paid off, what is your account value actually going to be?
Hmm.
Was it all well, if you borrowed 3,000 and then you paid back 3,000 and your account is showing 50,
Hmm.
you know. Yeah, like
But
maybe, you arbitrage 50,000 off of it, but then, what's your taxes on it and
well, if he gets another year
uh
and just maintain some value after that, I guess he's just value
yeah.
hunting at that point, right?
Hmm.
If he
Yeah,
can maintain
I
any of
think
it
it's
over this
easier
course.
to if you can find, not to put ideas in anyone's head, but if you can find debt that is interest only payments and doesn't have a end date that the debt has to be paid back, like margin, that's the most ideal debt to do it on, because that also allows you to compound your dividend payments versus taking the majority of it to pay principal, interest, and taxes.
Hmm. So I'll try to do a little
Yeah,
spreadsheet here. So he's got, I'm going to say, home equity line of credit, personal line of credit, and then actual assets. I'm going to list with a question mark because we don't know, what his actual assets are. It's all borrowed money from what I see. Um, but at the current share price, he would have, and I know he's been in this for like a month or however long, but he would have 12,908 shares. So there's different things that could happen, different scenarios. Like, yeah, it could get up to say, $30 a share, and then we get an error. Uh, sorry, $30 a share, then, you have 387,000. Or, it could go down to like, say, 20, and then he loses, you know, 42,000. I mean, so it's like in finance courses they teach you sensitivity analysis. So yeah, it could go up, could go down. So I mean, these are the range of possibilities with that. Um, but yeah, I mean, and then if it behaves like Tesla, it would just drop and drop and drop. Of course, I don't see that happening with Amazon. I would see Amazon either staying flat or going up. I think Amazon will be up over time. So
Yeah, I agree with that one.
But like once he
What was
Even though
pays,
the what's
yeah, go
what's the
ahead.
dividend on AMZ?
I think it was
it was like
96
90.
cents last month.
No, like the percentage.
Oh, for
Let's
that I
see
can
here.
just go to the yield max site here. Yeah, I don't
Dang,
have
is
all
it really
these.
50%?
Mm, yep, 50.46.
Yeah, that'll do it. If it's like you said, if it stays flat or goes up, then he's probably in decent shape.
Hmm.
But
But yeah,
most HELOCs are there's a see the thing about a HELOC is traditionally uh there's a couple different ones where the first 5 years are interest only.
hmm
He may not have specified that. It could be 5 years or it could be, I think, 10 years, depending on who you get the HELOC from. So the first 5 to 10 years can be interest only. So your minimum payments do not pay back principal; they just pay the interest that's owed. And then after the 5 or 10 years, depending on your HELOC, then it becomes I think 15 to 20 or 10 to 20 years. Your payments become principal and interest.
hmm
Um, so that's when your payments would inflate to include the principal amount. So and that would of course change the math drastically.
See, I feel like so if you look at the whole dividend history of AMZY, he's cherry picked a month that happens to be the best month that it's paid, because it had a good month. So 97 cents is a record high. You see, we started at like 47 cents, we went up to 63 cents, then we came back down. Um, 97 cents is the highest we've been. So how likely that is to sustain, we'll see. But I would imagine he's assuming at 97 cents that it's always going to be that, and he's assuming a much faster payoff timetable than it would be with 69 cents or 64 cents.
This may be my opinion, but I think quarter two is going to be pretty bad across the board.
Could be, yeah.
That just might be my opinion. So I don't think I would be relying on no 97 cents to maintain from AMT.
Yeah.
I'm probably saying it'll still be high, maybe 70. But I don't think it'll be able to maintain this 90.
Hmm.
Yeah, on a month-to-month basis, it doesn't matter. It's what it's going to average out over time, and
Yeah. I can always ask the magic
I
eight
would,
ball.
yeah, I would
Shit,
put
man,
it
we
closer.
might.
I mean, for this strategy, you got to err on the side of caution, right? You got to be on that lower end of the scale.
Hmm.
Um, maybe 50 cents, somewhere around there.
Hmm.
Well, maybe.
If the math works there, then you're probably going to be in decent shape because any payment above that is going to make you more right. But any payment below that, you can probably weather.
Hmm. Did I point out? Yeah, I don't know if I said this yet, but he roasts me for calling myself the coach, but he calls himself the Oracle. That seems like, you know,
I
way
don't think
more.
you did point that out in your
Yeah,
video.
right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you saying was just weird.
Yeah,
Yeah, listen to him. It's like betting your money on that 8 ball to give you a good answer.
right. Yeah, I'm not sure what's better, an eight ball or like a psychic reading. Yeah, if you all go through the Discord, you might see some interesting stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Oh god.
so
I'm
how
actually
was
hoping that pays off for him, but then we're gonna have to hear from him for a whole year. Say my passion paid off,
Oh, I
but
know. He's
No,
he's
there's like there won't be
I'm
an end to
hoping
it.
it does.
yeah.
No, there
I'm
won't be an end
hoping
to it, right? If it
it
starts
will.
working, he's just gonna do more.
Actually, it'll be worse because he's gonna tell it's gonna be a whole community of people who's gonna do that dumb shit.
That's what's dangerous
I
about it.
don't. I,
Yeah.
I don't necessarily think it's dumb as long as you're accounting for all the factors, in which most people don't. So that's the issue.
Hmm.
it's the people who don't put any forethought into it. They don't run any type of scenarios in their personal situation and what they have access to or can get access to, and then they
Right.
just pull the trigger anyways. I mean, I'll have to admit, I am a fan of debt arbitrage.
Hmm.
What if you can get away with it with anybody?
Yeah, you just got to be smart enough to do it.
I don't know. Hey, it's an entertaining bet. At least we can make fun of Kumar, but he ain't take no damn HELOC loan out to do it.
Oh, I agree. I agree.
Yeah,
No,
we can make fun of
That
him
we
all
know
we
of.
want to, but he did not do that.
yeah. No, this guy is a whole nother beast entirely.
Oh shit!
Yeah, if Kabir kept throwing money into his account, that's what I would have thought he was doing. But he has seemed to be holding fast at just working with what he's got, which is probably the smarter move.
Yeah.
But I had a feeling that if I saw him like magically just started throwing, oh, here's another 5, here's another 10, here's another 30, be like, okay, what are we doing here?
Right. Yeah, that's true. Let's see. So how is this dividend so high this last month? So this would have been, so the dividend we just got for AMZ was based on April, and it looks like, let me look at Amazon.
Did Amazon have any good? Oh, Amazon's start. No, I guess they did the quarter one reporting was pretty good. I do remember that.
Yeah, it only went up like since April 1st. Like it's up like $9. I guess they captured a lot of the downside volatility. Because that's a record dividend for AMZY.
I was thinking this, and here you might agree. You think Jay pulled that? That $4 dividend pay with Misty. Do you think he pulled that off just to sit there and say I dropped big balls on Defiance in everybody else's face?
No, I think
That's the
Well,
only reason that he agreed. They
he
agreed to
runs
do that.
Defiance, so he dropping big balls on himself.
yeah,
Well, he's like I thought he was under one of the lower level managers for that.
he's
Like,
Uh,
yeah, he
definitely
manages stuff, but
yeah, he's definitely involved with Defiance. But no,
yeah, but I'm saying like the guys that would technically be over him, he just wanted to sit there and say, "Look, yeah, I'm doing better. If you listen to me, it would have worked out better." That type of deal.
yeah, no, I mean I doubt that. I think it was
no, it's not
definitely
very comparable.
yeah, the $4 dividend. I
Nah.
I think it was legit based on how much MSTR ran up. I knew it wasn't sustainable, but I think a dividend like that definitely. Oh, look who's on. You guys see the comments? But anyway, I think a dividend
Mm-mm.
like that definitely gets people suckered in early on. It gets a lot of new investors.
And the worst part was it was right at the time where it was that fund was at the highest too.
Yeah.
I was just wondering because he could have just gave a little bit less and had a little bit of money set to the side to protect the underlying a little bit. That's what I thought he would have done, but he did say he wanted to max his yield out. So
Hmm. Yeah, he won't do that. That's the thing. He said it's yield max. They're not going to hold any dividends back like QYLD and some of the others do.
Well, he's not even holding dividends back. He's playing dividends plus some, right? So
Yeah. No, it's true. It's true.
yeah,
So this fund has had two dividends so far. It's paid $4 and it's paid 250. And a lot of that it's because of
yeah.
the underlying, because of MSTR. If you look at MSTR, it ran.
April was a mad, but wasn't April a bad month for pretty much everything
Yeah,
except for Amazon?
pretty much. Yeah, but Amazon didn't really do that well. It's up like $9.
Technically, it's still positive. If it just petered upwards, it's still better than going down, right?
True. See, this is where we got this dividend from. You look at it, I mean, this ran from, you look at the month of March for this fund, it was just absolutely insane. It doubled in price, this MSTR.
Yeah.
And since the beginning of the year, it's still double, but at one point, you see we were at almost 2,000. So, yeah, that's definitely, I think it's the biggest yield that YieldMax has ever paid out. So,
Yeah, it'll be hard to see that again.
maybe Oracle should have done his strategy on MSTY instead of Amazon. That would accelerate the payback even faster.
Yeah, he could have been like halfway done in 1 month.
Yeah. And then after it's paid off, I'm not sure what the goal is. It's just kind of like all like the house's money at that point.
Yeah.
Let's see, how's Crash doing? He says, MSTY, Crash, none of you understand crypto. Well, yeah, but you're going to pay your loan back so fast, it doesn't matter, right? The bull run just ended. Are we going into crypto winter, but you wouldn't know any better? You're not crypto people. I have some crypto. I mean, I'm not the Oracle, but I do have some crypto. This is fun. Well, I could have told him to join a live stream, but he already left the Discord. Coney, MSTR will get destroyed. Citizen of the Year says I got an AMZY dis video on deck. Okay, well let's see.
I I have I have no problem being called not a crypto person.
Yeah. I mean,
Definitely not.
crypto's not my forte, but I do have some
Yeah.
crypto, and I've actually timed my buys and sells pretty good.
Oh
Do
yeah,
you?
I made on the spot ETFs. I made some money.
Yeah. So you guys have made some money in crypto?
I just mined it back in the day.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Yeah, I never bought or really traded it.
Yeah. Yeah, I never got into mining it. He says, that's okay. You don't have to be a crypto person. Getting you a little Corolla, go deliver DoorDash, bro. Well, hey, I own all my cars.
Damn, dude,
I don't
Corollas
lease
are nice, man.
I don't lease Lambos with borrowed money. I own all my cars. Crypto's just a vehicle to make
Corollas are
money.
like 40 grand for Corolla nowadays.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, everything. I thought the car market had settled out, but everything's still high with inflation.
Though I think those prices that we saw in 2019 are long gone, buddy. We ain't gonna see them no more.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
Yep. Like the best thing that'll happen is that things just kind of stay at the level they're at now. That's the best we can hope for.
Uh, where where I'm leaning more is that they're probably going to drop the prices to get rid of that stuff. That I think they'll get to a point where they would rather sell it than just let it sit there and just go bad sitting there.
Hmm.
Because I think they had a lot of reports, a lot of Ford dealerships and all them things been holding cars on the lots at the manufacturer.
Hmm.
oh yeah. I mean, the more time that goes by, the more the incentives go up.
I don't know. I see the basic model is like 22,000 for a Corolla.
Yeah, yeah. You get. I don't know if you get one for 22,
Yeah.
but yeah, I think a mid range to upper end can get up there pretty easily.
So Oracle says somebody like you thinks 30,000 a lot is a lot per month. You can't understand what it's like to make 5 or 600,000. Okay, so if you do that, why do you need to leverage money to buy into AMZY? If you make all that money, if you're such a baller, like why do you need to borrow all this money on leverage? Maybe I just don't get it. I mean, does my question make sense?
Like 99% of the population wouldn't understand that.
Yeah. And I mean, you don't show your face.
So
You don't say who you are. I mean, I have some ideas, but you know, you don't show your face. So, what can we say? Uh-oh, who do we have? Mr. Krabs is on.
Good old
Hey,
Mr.
welcome,
Crab.
welcome, Mr. Krabs. I actually haven't had him on a live stream yet. Go ahead and unmute yourself.
Yeah,
He's
Corollas aren't they not half bad at all.
Oh
yeah,
yeah, I forgot about the Corolla. What is it? Corolla GR, right?
yeah,
They're really not bad at all.
That, yeah, that thing's nuts.
yeah.
Yeah, 99% of the population wouldn't understand that 600,000 number.
Yeah. How's it going, Mr. Krabs?
Not bad. What,
Yeah.
you said you're doing a live show?
Yeah, I'm on live right now.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
we've got Oracle in the comments. He's blowing up the comment section.
Who's that?
Oh, that's the guy. That's
Exactly.
my heckler.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah. I think I saw that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, I would give Oracle one bit of that. He is fairly entertaining to listen to. I
Hmm.
will give him
I
that
don't know.
much.
If I got a Corolla, it'd probably pull pretty hard to his mom's house. So I don't know. Maybe I'll pass.
Yeah.
What'd you do to that guy? Why is he calling you out?
I have no idea. I mean, I think
Oh,
he's gonna retire on dividends tomorrow, but he's oh, hey Dad, how's it going?
Hey, I saw
Yeah.
your DM.
Yeah, you see who we have in the comment section?
Hold on. And here in
Yeah.
your disc in your
Yep.
YouTube.
hold on.
Yeah. It's Oracle. But anyway, all right, yeah, continue.
I'll get caught up. Let me read a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. So, Mr. Krabs, you were saying?
oh no. I mean, I know I saw there's some video about you, and I was like, oh, what do you do? And then
I have
I
no
saw
idea.
there's all this drama about Coach, and I was like, oh, what are they talking about?
Yeah.
So that's all I know.
Oh yeah. I mean, I immediately came to help coach out. You know, I got your back, coach. I don't like people discrediting people. You did nothing, dude. We're
Yeah.
nothing wrong. You don't even know this guy. How do you even know him? Like, I don't understand
No
why the
idea.
hate.
Yeah.
So did he show up? Did this Oracle guy? He showed up today at 5:24. The Oracle.
He's in the YouTube chat right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I said, "Why don't you
Oh,
show your
let me take
face?"
a
And
look.
he says, "I show my trades."
Oh, is this a live show?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, can I cuss?
Sure.
No.
I don't care. I don't care.
You get one free one.
Ain't no money. Well, I guess he already included that this is not a monetized episode.
Yeah. I mean, I've known about him for years.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's scum of the earth. I mean, am I able to speak freely?
Yes, absolutely.
He's a
At your own
dirtbag.
risk.
Yeah. I'm not. He scammed my buddy into Discord.
Yeah.
He was trying to promote this crypto of Bit7. He used Bit7 platform, right? And it was like crypto fast money. He's had like 30 different user profiles on YouTube.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, he's had multiple failed business models after another.
Yeah.
He's a joke, dude. He's probably broke as fuck.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, wouldn't
but
be
yeah, let
surprised.
the data speaks for itself. Let the I don't understand why he didn't get. He should have got persecuted for what he did on BitConnect. He was pumping up BitConnect years ago,
Hmm.
and how can he defraud investors? You know, knowing that these business models were going to collapse, or from the psychic business to the holy donuts business. He's a joke. He always wants to talk about women and flaunting his Lambo, which he can shove up his ass.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. There you go. I said my piece.
Yeah. No, well said. Welcome, Andre, and welcome, Detective Monk. It looks like we got the whole gang.
Are we live on YouTube or just live on Discord?
No, we're live on YouTube, and guess who we have in the comment section?
No way.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah. I'm
Rob,
actually just I'm
Rob Smith says Oracle is a Nigerian prince.
mm, I mean since you gave me that information, I'm planning to make my own video about him, but dive deep into the investigation about him. 'Cause that there to me, like if you have a full out, if people are investigating you about the shit that you're selling or doing, that to me is one of the like breakers of his channel. Like if people see that a lot more, see what the details will be or are,
Hmm.
that should be one of the best things. Like instead of making it like a diss track, just hey, boom, look what he did.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. I took it personal after my buddy fell victim, right? My buddy's like 76 now, but at the time he was probably 69 or 70. So this was years ago, but yeah, I reported all of those videos what I could to YouTube. Nothing happened.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome, Detective Monk. How's it going? He's muted.
Oh yeah, yeah. Um, he physically cannot talk, but he's very intelligent and
Oh,
he'll
okay,
text
okay,
his heart out. Yeah.
okay.
I saw your comments today with Kamir too, right? He mentioned it. I guess you posted.
Yeah, he was friendly to me today, so I actually had to kick a couple of people out of my Discord because they were just in there, but they were talking about me over there, and I'm in there too. Um, and so I kicked them out, and they're like, "Oh, I guess Coach, bans people too." And I'm like, "Well, if you don't contribute to the discussion, and you're gonna trash me somewhere else." And then Kumair came in and like agreed with me, and he was like, "Yeah, you have to run your Discord that way," and he was, somewhat supportive. So yeah, I think
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
now,
I saw it.
I
yeah,
think he would agree with that. Yeah.
like I think right now as a community we have bigger fish to fry, obviously, right?
Oh yeah, most certainly.
Yeah.
Hey, I see that he was in your chat.
Who?
The Oracle Fast Money Trader.
He's there
I'm
right
not
now.
trying to bully you.
Yeah, he's there
I'm
right
just trying
now.
to show you that.
Well, he makes a lot of
I think he's still here.
Oh
statements
yeah.
because first of all he says, "Oh, I've rolled you through the dirt. This channel's dead," and then he says, "I'm not trying to bully you." So when I started YouTube, like I'm
Yeah.
in this for good. Like as long as I live and breathe, like I will post videos. I'm not going anywhere, and nobody's gonna ever bully me off of this platform.
Hmm. Especially because I mean, when watching his response video and Oracle, if you're listening to now, like, what did you? If you just took away all the jokes about him, literally, your video can be summed up in a few seconds. Like, what concrete thing do you have on him that says his investment style is bad or yield max is bad? Because I personally don't like yield max, but you can utilize it in a very strategic way, hence that strategic word, for your portfolio. Like it can benefit you. So, is he? Like, when's the last time he responded? Was it a few minutes ago?
He just responded now. He called me a beta male again. He doesn't even show his face. So you know what? I'm sorry, you're a pussy. You don't even show your face. You're a beta male. Why don't you show your face? What do you have to hide? Sure, it's a lot, as we've
Oh
been
man, if someone
discussing.
want to, I mean, hey Oracle, like if you want to call someone a beta male, please call me, man, any day. Just tell me where your location's at, man. Any fucking day we can bring it.
Looks like he joined your Discord earlier today too.
Yeah, he did, and then he left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he didn't allow anyone to send DMs since when he joined THB's Discord. I tried to contact him. No friend invites allowed, and you can't. There's no direct way to talk to him.
Yep.
Yeah, you probably got to pay for that.
Oh, it's a paid. Well, yeah, if you run a paid Discord, then you can do that. Oh, we have Damon Rydell on. He hasn't been on in a while. So how's your options trades going, Damon? He's just in the comments. He's not in the voice chat. I think the crossfire on here is amazing. Like I just said something nice about Kumair. I have a person that's a fan of Kumair that bashed me that obviously likes this Oracle guy, and I think he got banned on there. Oh, Nomad says he put a ton in Grayscale. What do you guys think about Grayscale? Any thoughts on Grayscale?
Oh, you're
It's
asking
all.
us?
It's also the whole market.
It's also the whole market. Yeah, right.
To be fair, when it comes to me and Kamara, I don't think Kamara is fairly entertaining. I actually like the show, but I question his trading strategy.
Hmm.
Yeah,
That's
You're implying he has
me.
one.
Hey, look, hey, I've been looking at it like this. If he could somehow manage to the fund UMax and survive for 3 years, I'm guessing he made his money and a little bit more out of it, right?
Right. Yeah,
So
Well, yeah.
I just think he's new at investing. I mean, that's all, you know.
Whoa. Yeah, that's my consultation cost, 3,000. That's right. I'm not a coach. I teach people real strategies to make. You know what, Oracle? If you since you're listening to us, you know what? Why don't you just jump on my channel? Let's see how we'll see these real strategies.
Yeah.
Oh man, I have this. I'll put up some money. I want to see you, do this for real. Let's do it live. I would love to do this live with you. Whole live consultation. Let's see your trading strategy.
Yeah, do
Yeah,
it.
my buddy paid an extra $500 to talk to him. You know, he was giving two different, just a standard Discord package, and then Discord with the ability to talk to Oracle. This was probably 2018, so 6 years ago, whenever it was, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so he talked to him, and I said, "Did you learn anything?" And he, you know, it was very short and abrupt, and he said, "No, he didn't learn anything." And
Yeah.
he only advocated like this magical war on the 1 minute chart. He's a joke.
Yeah.
Like straight up scammer.
Mm-hmm.
Oracle, you got a customer right here, man. I love to do with you, man. Here, just send me an email, text me, like, let's do it. I would love to do this live. Maybe we're all wrong. Prove us wrong. That would be the best. Best spit in the face onto us? Maybe we're all wrong. Maybe your trading strategy is absolutely amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, also another question: if you're doing a consultation, do you show your face, or is it just you on one of these images hiding your face?
Good question. Some of the comments are funny. He says Coach needs an e-guide too.
4 of them.
Let me see his comments.
That's where the money is, Coach. It's in the e-guides, man.
Yeah, the e-guides and the courses, right?
Yeah, that's where the money's made.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much the only thing Kevin talks about on his channel, right?
You wish I'd come on my ghetto channel? Ghetto channel, really? Oh, let's check out your channel. 55,000 55,000 subscribers in your channel. Almost all of them are bots. You go through your shit, dude. Your stuff is a bunch of definitely a bunch of crap. And for you to, you know what? You're a crypto trader. Shit, why don't you show your trades? I would love to see a live stream of you trading. Because when people call me on, oh, hey, Andre, do you live trade? I got hundreds of videos of me live trading. Please, let's do this. I would love for you to get on your channel to show us your live trading.
Well, apparently he's going on the Cash Flow Kings. That's a smaller channel, so apparently he does.
Yeah, I mean, I don't understand why a guy who has 55,000 subscribers needs to go down to hundreds of subscribers just to get some view, get some clout. Especially with this whole new route you're going. I mean, you're talking about yield max and these past or the cash flow investments. Why I see the switch. Your main channel's dead. It's all bots. And now you're moving to a new channel to actually get some real viewers. I see the angle, man.
Yep. Yep. A lot of projection.
Guy's an idiot, man.
Worse spray tan than Trump.
No, I mean, and better yet, man, if you're gonna call someone out on your own channel, like just go through his stuff. What's his channel? Oracle.
Fast money trader.
Oracle, how's that witching hour working out for you? I used to watch your videos. How's bit 7 working out, bitch?
I only use an 8-ball. I only use an 8-ball. I don't claim to be a psychic medium.
He's faked his trade.
Yeah. Oh man, fun times.
All right, so Oracle, I'm on your website right now. Consult and Discord full package, 0.05 BTC limited offer. Wow, I think I found out. You know what? Making all these exposed videos, I actually figured out how you got your car. No way. This is your money, your making money scheme. Makes sense. Just to have a consultation, you need to pay 0.05. Oh, sorry, 0.05 BTC. Makes sense. Then you know what? I can't wait for this video to come out about you now.
I want to know how many times he's filed bankruptcy. I know one for a fact in 2018 or 2019 or something.
Yeah, should we go into everything? I don't care at this point.
So if you watch one of his videos, how much money I make on YouTube, he gives a full breakdown of how much he makes. Apparently, I'm watching it right now.
Yeah, I think that one came up.
I think I get it.
Oh, he's threatening me with the suit. Here it comes.
Who's threatening with who?
Read his comment.
Hey, coach, I just remembered it's illegal to dox people. If you are doxing people in Discord, I will follow suit against. Yeah, you know what? If you do follow suit, at least we get to know your location and who you are as a person. And also, you can stop hiding your face.
Yeah.
Woo! Congratulations. You'll expose yourself as a scammer or as a possible scammer. Congratulations for being retarded. Fucking people like this actually get me irritated. Like watching these type of people, like it is like going through my checklist and going through. I'm like, okay, this guy sells off his car, shows his car and this stuff. The reason why I'll say one of the main reasons I have a suspicion of him doing this is to show that lifestyle, their lifestyle, get people to buy your whatever, your Discord package or your consultation for. I mean, that shit's expensive. 0.05 per. That's crazy. But it makes sense to me. I think this is your money making scheme, or money making in your money maker, just for the consultations. That's why you have to sell it for so high. Holy crap!
Yep, it would seem that way. So Andre, you're the crypto guy. Is crypto gonna crash?
I hope it does, so I can rebuy it. But
Yeah.
but I think maybe we're doing a little bit of retracement. I'll be rebuying into Hedera. I just rebought into Hedera, Cosmos, and not Solana. At the third one, a second. But I think it's just short term. But
Mm-hmm.
where's this clown at? Doxing is illegal. Why would you even bring up something of illegality?
Yeah, we
You
were
make
talking
yourself
about.
seem so weak as a person.
Yeah, we were talking about other stuff in this, and then then he joined. Yeah, exactly.
Like you don't. This is how I can tell he's a very weak individual. You don't call someone a beta male, and then go out your way saying you can't. If you dox me, there's gonna be some a legal suit. What?
Yeah, and then not even show
Talk like
your
a fucking
face.
weak ass person.
Yeah.
Yeah, like shit like that. Like I love how people we call them what keyboard warriors.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, he has a lot of YouTube channels.
Yeah, he said 11.
Sorry, I just read
Oh.
Nomad's comment.
Yeah.
Where's Nomads?
Dude, you're not a trader if you haven't made a trade on the toilet.
Oh,
That's
I
Right.
know. Yeah, he said you don't want to see
Number one-
his.
number one rule.
Yeah.
Hey, you
Number
guys
one
see
rule.
that?
If you haven't
Andre.
traded on a toilet, you're not a trader.
Yeah.
Andre Brown, aka. Oh man, this is funny.
Yeah. Fun stuff. Never a dull moment on this platform.
Oracle, oh man. Dude, you got to get on the live stream with us. Why don't you talk? Once I'm doing this keyboard warrior stuff, why don't you actually talk? Let's hear your voice.
Yeah, he's supposed to be going on another channel within the next couple of weeks. The Cash Flow Kings.
How do they know if it's even him?
I don't know.
You see? I want to know. How do they know? What is the Oracle consultant package?
Yeah, that's what my buddy signed up for.
Oh yeah, where do you see that?
I'm on his website watching his YouTube video on his website about what his package is all about.
Yeah.
Real people, real results. That's what they.
Not good results, but results.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, if
Results.
he's doing this, he must be out of capital, guys. That's my opinion.
Yeah.
He's the true definition of a debt slave. Negative net worth.
Yeah.
Positive.
I Googled him for like 2 minutes and I already found his real name, so it's not hard to find him.
Yeah.
If that really is
Nope.
him.
Yep.
Nothing good.
I mean, it'd be really nice if he just commented more. I mean, if you just jump on live, man. If you're watching this,
Yeah.
'cause I don't got much time until I gotta hit the gym.
Oh, he's
But man,
retracting. He's
it'd be nice
retracting
for
his
him to,
Oh,
messages.
he's deleting.
You see him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
So I've been kicking people out
yeah.
because he has bot accounts that come on and support him. So I've been timeouting people. But yeah, he's
Oh wow.
retracting. He's retracting his messages. Yeah. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
You know what? That's like number 4 on my checklist of if people delete their comments or delete their own video
Yeah.
after someone exposes them. We're talking about his stuff on live right now, and
Yeah.
he's retracting and deleting them.
hmm
Dude,
And just to
all
be
you're doing is
clear,
making yourself look like a camera.
yeah, just to be clear on the audience, so the stuff out there is all like public, online. It's easily Googleable. So I mean, some people posted some pictures here. It's all like easily Googleable stuff. So it's like nothing like it's no like private info or anything.
Yeah, retracting messages sounds like a real beta male. Fuck.
Yeah, he came out of nowhere
I
and attacked me, so I didn't do anything. Just got pulled in. Oh well, if we expose a scammer, it's worth it.
yeah. Shit, I can't. I wish I screenshotted that stuff before he deleted it.
Don't worry about
Oh,
it.
he could clip the video for you.
I got it. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. When your video's done,
Yeah,
I'll clip this. I want to bring this
don't
up to
worry.
him,
Yeah,
man. It was-
and enough said. Don't worry. I got it.
all right, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna go hit the gym. This has been fun.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is
Hey, thank you all for joining in. That was really awesome. I appreciate you all's support. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We'll like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one. That was probably the most exciting live stream I've done on here as a YouTuber. So, all right, I'm going to end the stream. Everybody